Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today once again I am here before you to take a class on note making. Actually note making is a very difficult task for the students of Hindi medium, and especially I have seen in my classes that there are a series of difficulties, problems for the students while they are going to make a note on a given passage. So today here in this class I am going to help you how to make a note on a given passage. So listen to me very carefully. The very first question comes, what is a note? Actually, note is a given passage. It can be taken from a textbook, from any source, or you can also take an article. Now I am going to tell you how to make a note. After this, we will come to know what are the steps through which a student can make a very good note. Actually, it has been seen in the classes that out of all the questions of English, note making is the most difficult question. That's why a student should have sound knowledge of all those steps through which he can make a very good note. By the way, here, first of all, we should try to the pattern of questions. We should try to understand what is there in the question. So, after going through the question, we can see that the question has been divided into two parts. In part 1, on the basis of your reading of the above passages, make notes on it using headings and subheadings, using recognizable abbreviations wherever necessary. In this question, there are two parts, there are two segments. In part 1, you can see headings and subheading. In part 2, you can see you have to make certain abbreviations for the difficult for the difficult words. And in part 2, you can see write a summary of the passage in not more than 80 words, using notes made and also suggest a suitable title. Here in this question there are two things. First, you have to make a summary on the passage, and number 2, you have to give a suitable title or topic. So here we can see that the question has been divided into two parts. In part 1, you have to make headings and subheadings, and you should also give the abbreviations. And in number 2, you have to make the summary of the passage, and you should give a title. Now, another step is, the next step is what we have to do. We have to follow an appropriate format for note making. What is that format? We are going to know that. Actually, whenever we are going to make a note, in that case, we must follow the format. As there is a format for letter writing, for essay writing, in the same way, there is a format for note making. What is that format? Look at it. The format has been divided into two parts. Part number 1, note making, and part number 2, title and summary. According to the question, in note making, you can see headings, and to support the headings, there are subheadings. And after subheading, there is a step of abbreviations, and then title, then summary. So, according to the format, let me tell you all the things once again. In format, you have to write several headings. Then to support the headings, there would be subheadings, then abbreviation, then writing the title of the passage, then summary. After this, we are coming into the section of abbreviation. What is abbreviation? Abbreviation means writing the same thing in a very small way to save time and space. Now the question comes, how the students of Hindi medium they will make the words, they will abbreviate the words. Here there are some rules for abbreviations. First, removing vowels. As we know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. While you are making the words small, you can omit, you can remove all the vowels of that word. For example, writing, W-R-T-N-G, learner, L-R-N-R. Here we have removed all the vowels of the words. Similarly, using first few letters, engineer, E-N-G-R, examination, E-S-E-M. Another rule for making abbreviation, first and last letters, Dr. D-R, Mr. M-R. Similarly, using important letters, something, STH, somebody, SB. I told all these things because abbreviation is an important segment of note making. Just you saw the passage. Now on the passage or on the basis of that passage, we are going to make a note. But before starting for note making, you should follow all the steps one by one. First of all, what you have to do, you will have to follow the format. You have to follow the rules and regulations for abbreviation. Now, we are coming to the note making section. In note making, as you can see on the blackboard, the first part has been divided into 3 headings. Heading number 1, 2 and 3. And to support the headings, there are several subheadings. To support the main idea, there are subheadings. Now, in computer listening, we just due to drifting, countering, comparing, filtering, reacting. In number 2 heading, for a listener to be more effective requires the art of concentration, alertness, physical fitness, note making, and a suitable posture. In third heading, effective listening helps speakers and listeners as well. After headings and subheadings, now we are coming into the section of abbreviations. In abbreviation, first of all, make a box, and inside the box you should write some difficult words, some long words to the left of the box, and to the right of those words. There should be the abbreviated words. So this is the box for abbreviations. Now we are coming into the section of, we are coming to the next part of the question. If you can recall that there are 2 parts of the question. In part 1, headings and subheadings and abbreviation. In part 2, there are 2 questions, title and summary. So for the title, as when you go through the passage, you will see that the passage is based on how to be a competent listener. So this is the title of the passage. Now summary. Summary should be not more than 80 words in your board examination. There would be the limitation of 80 words to make a passage. Now we are coming into the summary section. Before starting summary, once again we are going to read the title, How to be a competent listener. Summary. Effective speaking depends on effective listening. Often a listener fails to concentrate on what is being said. It is due to the fact that the drifts and tends to counter and then filters the message and react letting his personal feelings about the speaker, thereby overriding the significance of the message. Concentration is the main tool to be an effective listener. This is guided through alertness, note making in a suitable posture. The speaker is motivated as well. So this is the whole process of making a note. Let me tell you all the things very quickly once again. First of all, you should read the question very carefully. Then follow the rules and regulations of format. Then going through all these spots like heading, subheadings, abbreviation, title and summary. So dear students, thanks a lot to all of you, and very soon I am coming before you taking another video. Thank you very much.